Hi, it's March 7th and welcome to today's video, hopefully more than one today. Anyway, here it is, Tutorial 6, Question 2, give the kth coefficient of 1 over a plus bx. Now, I'll give you the short way first and then the long way second. If you are getting comfortable with the fact that this expression is equal to this power series, you can use it to calculate a whole bunch of different things. Oops, x to the k. That's not going to make sense. Okay, there we go. So we can rewrite 1 over a plus bx in that general format by first factoring out an a, which is going to give us 1 plus b over a to the x. And we can write that out front to get it out of the way for a minute. Now we want to have an a minus something, but we can do that. Just turn the plus into two minuses, negatives I should say. And now we've got it in the form we want, so that is equal to the 1 over a, the sum as for any k of minus b over a x to the k. Now we can massage this a little bit. We can simplify it. We'll bring the 1 over a in and we'll put the negative 1 like this. And then our coefficient, we're going to have b to the k, and then we've got a to the k, but we've also got the a from outside, so it's a to the k plus 1, and then x to the k. So when we're asked for the kth coefficient, the answer is negative 1 to the k, b to the k, a over 1 to the k. Now, if you're like me and you have a really hard time memorizing mathematical facts, there is the long way of doing this as well, which I don't recommend, but in a pinch or an emergency, you can do the same long division method we did to discover that formula in the first place. So we can take 1, I better leave myself a little room, 1 divided by a plus bx. How many times does a go into 1? 1 over a, which gives you 1, and then b over ax. When you subtract, you get negative b over ax. Now how many times does that a go into that? Negative b over a squared x, I believe. So you can see the pattern starting to form already. And this will be multiplying by b this time. B squared over a squared x squared. So like I say, I don't recommend doing this as a habit, but it will help you to remember the pattern. You've got a negative, so you know it's going to be negative 1 to the k as the sign, and then b and x have the same coefficient, and a has 1 more as the coefficient, which is exactly what we found down here in the previous version. So I hope that helps for the first part of question 2.